Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone is OnePlus 12 or before begin don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body. The body measures 163.3 by 75.4 by 8.8 mm and the phone weight 207 gram. It's very light and have IP64 water resistant. Number 2, the screen. The screen here is LTPA AMOLED display with size of 6.78 inches and a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels and come with refresh rate 120 Hz. Number 3, the processor. It is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Top 4 from the strongest processor. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, 90 frames per second, and same thing in Call of Duty High Max and other games with one from best experience. And the phone come with stereo speakers, system clear and loud, and support Dolby Atmos Vision. Before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe, activate the notification bell. Number 4, the camera. The main camera wide in this phone 50 megapixel, the second camera 8 megapixel ultra wide, the third camera ultra wide 2 megapixel macro. You will get a beautiful picture with by this cameras in wonderful colors as you see, and the camera record video 4K 60 frames per second, but in front camera 16 megapixel record video 1080 30 frames per second. Battery. The battery size is 5500 mAh, a big battery with charger 100 watt charge 100% in 26 minutes only. Number 5, the price of OnePlus 12 is $499 version 128GB 8GB RAM. We'll find the purchase link in description. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.